Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join groups on Roblox. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Roblox app. I'm on my phone. You can do this on Android or on a computer as well. Once you're on here, you see at the very bottom right the circle with the three dots. We're going to tap on that, and then you can see towards the left here at the bottom it says groups, so I'm going to tap on that to bring up all different kinds of groups, and it will suggest a bunch of different groups that you might want to join. At the very top you can search for a specific group if there is a specific group that you want to join that you already know the name, but I'm just going to go to building here and I'm going to just do this fun group, this very top one. So you can see at the very top it gives me the ability to join the group, so I'm going to tap join group here and it says I've successfully joined this group. It might ask you to solve a basic riddle and then you will join the group. Now let's go back here and you can see all of these are public groups. Let's see if I can find one that's private on here. These are all public groups, so if you find one that's private on this list and you wanted to join a private group, then what they would have to do is the admin would have to approve that you have requested to join that group. So unlike a public group where you're automatically approved, I can hit join and you can see your request is pending. So the admin of this group will have to approve me until I've joined that group, and then I can do everything that I would do on public group, but it needs to be approved. Hope this helps. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.